Kejingwan hair ka drone kisipai Bangladeshi ke bala tepkom ke Bangladeshi Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicle UAV ha Khappud ka thain Sorkar bat Shala East Khasi Hills district dang akini ki singi bala dan kala penlong ke Sorkar jela ban petngor bhai ke jinglong jingman ha Khappud bat yakane la pentep daw ba Preston tensong usumbot menteri rangba ka jela. Haba pentep yakane sekilat pathai kubor ha ka khatnyau tarik no pra arja arpusau uba Preston tensong ulethu bana kalyang ka Sorkar jela kala petngor bat ban pentep sya ka Sorkar India halor kani ka kam bat ka Sorkar India ru kala shimkhia bhai kani bat ban benram bakadei ka kam ram jong ka Sorkar Pdeng bakan yakran yakani ka kam bat ka Sorkar Bangladesh. Nalor kata ulo angru bana kalyang jong u ula batha yu chief secretary bat yaka director general of police DGP ka jela bakan shim yaki sen jam badan kam halor kani ka kam.
Well, I think this issue is not only the state government alone, but we have already kept it informed with the government of India, and government of India is also taking serious note on this. Same way, like the state government, we are doing our job. No, I have already instructed our DG and chief secretary to take necessary steps, be it a meeting or be it in writing or whatever.
So can you give us a little bit briefly what exactly happened, sir? We just know that the drones were spotted in.
No. See. I think there are issues which I don't want to be narrative. So please understand, the issue is so sensitive. So I cannot share everything with all of you. So what I've said is, from the state government, our responsibility is to make sure that this kind of things does not happen anymore. And point number 2 is, it is also equally the duty of the central government to take it up with the government of Bangladesh.
So would there be a review of the internal security?
We are doing it. That is on regular basis. The review meeting is always held, but we don't want to just, to share with all of you about the review meeting as far as law order is concerned. So we need to also keep it in the secret, where we don't want to narrate so much on this. No, necessary action will be taken accordingly. As I said to you, jointly, state government and the central government, we are sitting very, very closely. So as I said to you, please don't worry. I think everything will be fine.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.